Yo, today is 4th of July, so I've got a feeling it's gonna be a rough day. I'm not sure if restaurants are gonna be closed today, but I've got a feeling it's gonna be a bad day regardless. Maybe I'm just saying that because I got peed on this morning again. Oh, what a great start. Also, if you were wondering, fireworks started, well, I heard them starting at 4 in the morning, so that's gotta be a good sign. Anyways, we're starting off the day with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you, too. What does that say? Let me know if the gate isn't open, because you will have to use the side gate. You're annoying me already. Well, the gate was open. Not anymore. You will have to go through the side gate. Where is the side gate? Do they mean the walking gate? Yes, they do. Oh, you're so annoying. Of course that's a no tip. Why would there be a tip on that one? They're so lucky this place is small. Otherwise, I would have just left it at the front gate. Total for that one was just under $7. If I was smart, I would download the actual apps, like the ones where you ordered the food on, just so I could see what was open. But here we are. Finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $7, going just under 3 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $12, going just under 3 miles, 7 items. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is going 4 miles. Morning.
Hey, thank you, buddy.
Yep, I just need a pin. Total for that order was $10. Okay, not bad. Pretty good tip on that, actually. Been a few minutes, but we finally got the next order. This is Victor Rico's, $8, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Says, please don't knock, just leave at the door. Thank you and have a good night. Yeah, you too, buddy. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $13, going 6 miles, 6 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is another shop and deliver for Safeway. That one's gonna be $12, going 6 miles, 2 items. Two of those.
Please scan it.
We got yet another shop and deliver for a different Safeway. I think we've been to 3 different ones so far. This one is $9, going 4 miles, only 1 item. The one that I need. It's the only one that's out of stock. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is another shop and deliver. This time it's gonna be for Target. $14, going 6 miles, 6 items. Morning. a good one. Next up, we've got another shop and deliver. This one's going to be for Walgreens. $10, going 4 miles, 10 items. What the? Why is this all baby oil? Is this going back to that same customer? I think it might be. They only have 5. Well, that's unfortunate. Let me ask, because this one's pretty easy. I have time to kill.
Hey.
Question for you. Do you know if you would have any more of these?
Oh, is Puff Daddy shopping here today?
Exactly what I thought.
You definitely don't have any more.
No. Okay. Yeah, it was
That's
very weird. Okay.
Make the DoorDasher get embarrassed and you don't have to worry about it anymore.
Oh, I've delivered worse. That's
yeah,
for sure.
oh, please. Yeah, and there's a lot of people saying, this isn't for me. And I'm like, I don't care.
Yeah, no one's
don't
judging.
care.
Exactly.
Whatever.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Anyways, we got the next order right away. This is, what is this? El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one is $9 going, I think it's at 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, that is hot. Ow, that is hot. Ow, that is hot. Ow, that is hot. Okay. That is hot. Did I mention that was hot? Next up, we've got Jungle Jive. This one is going 2 miles.
Is that for you?
Thank you.
Yeah. You're all set. Just got one item.
Hi. Bye. And that's a no tip. Total for that one was $4 and change. Not really what I expected for today. I mean, I thought it was going to be very slow, but actually consistent. A lot of shopping orders, mostly shopping orders. I figured at least some of those would have like hot dogs or something, but I guess nobody's in the grilling mood, which is surprising. But anyways, current time is 10:23. Current total, we are at 97, and I think I'm waiting on a couple Uber tips. I don't know what the total is going to be, so I will just throw it up once it comes in. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.